Hello, it's Doug the Two-Minute Gardener, continuing on with our outdoor kitchen tournament. You decide who advances. One-on-one voting competition between all these different kitchens that I've designed over the years. So make sure to cast your ballot A or B in the comment section. Time to move to the heavyweights. Yeah, now we're getting into some big, complicated ones. Today's matchup features two really beautiful curved kitchens that we did for these clients. This one's kind of an S curve, really beautiful winding one. It's the barbecue and the drawers. We actually reused the old barbecue refrigerator from their old one. And then here we have kitchen B, same concept, curved it, but this one has both the polished, really beautiful countertop and an integrated fireplace. This one was built into the same structure and uses the same gas line. It's a really beautiful combination, and it also has a stone facade. So you decide which one you like better. This curving one with the counter overhang for the bar chairs, or this one with the built-in fireplace. Both beautiful materials. So A or B. Cast your vote in the viewer comment section. At the end of this competition, we'll move on to round 2 once we've gone through these preliminary rounds. Well, that's all the time we have. Thanks so much for voting, and stay tuned to this channel for the next couple of weeks as we get through all 25 kitchens to look at. Thanks for watching.